This is OnePlus 11, and today I would like to share a few useful camera tricks and tips on this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate how you can apply the custom watermark. So in order to do that, you will need to go into settings, then go for the watermark, turn it on. Now you can set some custom message. In here it is called the author name, but well, you can write whatever. So I'll just write, for example, the sky is blue. Okay, it's too long, so well, then I'll just write the hard reset message. Then you can choose whether all those three options will be displayed as the watermark. So shot on OnePlus, location, date and time, or timestamp. I will just go with the author name. And now each photo that you will take will contain the custom watermark that you have set. As you can see, in my case it is at the bottom left corner. The next cool and fairly useful tip for the camera that I have is how you can mute all camera sounds, because as you can hear right now, the shutter button has its own clicking sound, and some people might find this tune annoying. So if you would like for your camera to be always silent, just go into settings once again and turn off the shutter sound toggle. The next one is the cool mode that you can use. You can find it at the more section. It is called the dual view video, and as you can see, it allows you to record the video both from the frontal and rear cameras simultaneously. You can change the layout which it will use, for example this one or this one. So if you will record the video, you will get the following result. And fifth and final tip, or fourth, excuse me, that's another cool mode that is a very useful tool that some of the camera enthusiasts on this phone might find. So it is called the Pro mode, and it provides you with more manual control over the pictures and photos that you'll take. So for example, you can manually change the ISO value over here. The shutter speed value, the exposure value, focus distance, and white balance value. When it comes to taking the videos or recording videos rather than photos, you can also enter the Videos Pro mode. But at this point, just enter the say more section of modes and choose the movie option. And in here, as you can see, you are also able to manually modify those earlier mentioned parameters over here, as well as like the resolution also gets automatically inframed or expanded rather to the size of the whole display. So you will have the aspect ratio of your screen once recording the video. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.